Hop into the 2020 Toyota Tacoma. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer. This rugged Tacoma has the features and attitude to answer your spirit's call for adventure. Engineered to meet the demands of the trail, its off-road heritage underpins its tough capability, while its modern technology keeps you safe, connected, and entertained. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, Wi-Fi hotspot, aluminum wheels. Get serious about your fun. Get into this rugged Tacoma and answer the call to adventure. We've got the expertise and professionalism to make your purchase and ownership experience the best it can be.